In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Microsoft Store from the taskbar. If your taskbar feels crowded or you simply don't use the Microsoft Store often, removing its shortcut takes only a few seconds and keeps your workspace cleaner. We're not uninstalling anything here, just removing the shortcut from the bar at the edge of your screen. Also, if your taskbar is set to auto hide, move your mouse to the very edge of the screen to reveal it before you continue. Start by moving your mouse cursor over the Microsoft Store icon on your taskbar. The taskbar is usually along the bottom of your desktop, though it can be docked to the top or either side if you've customized it. Look for the Microsoft Store logo. It typically looks like a small shopping bag with a Windows symbol in the center. If you don't see it at all, it may already be unpinned, in which case there's nothing else you need to do. And if you accidentally left-click and the store opens, no worries. Just close the window and keep going. With your cursor resting on the icon, open the Quick Options menu by using a right-click. On a mouse, that's the secondary button. On many trackpads, you can press with two fingers or use the bottom right corner click, depending on your settings. If the store is currently running, you might see a small thumbnail preview above the icon. Still right-click the main icon itself to get the correct menu. This quick menu gives you a few choices related to that app. From that menu, choose Unpin from Taskbar. As soon as you select it, the Microsoft Store icon will disappear from the taskbar. That's your confirmation that it's been successfully removed. Remember, this only unpins the shortcut. It does not remove the Microsoft Store from your computer. You can still open it anytime through the Start menu or by searching for Microsoft Store from the search box. None of your apps, purchases, or settings are affected. If you open the menu and don't see Unpin from Taskbar, double-check that you right-click the Microsoft Store icon itself and not an open window thumbnail or an empty area of the bar. Also note that on some managed or work devices, your organization might lock taskbar changes. If that's the case, you may need admin permission to modify pinned apps. That's all there is to it. You've tidied up your taskbar, reduced accidental clicks, and made room for the icons you actually use. If you ever change your mind later, you can pin the Microsoft Store back just as easily and keep going with your day.